This movie shows you how to rebuild a shower mixer to a mixer with a spout. In this case, we show 3 different variations on a mixer from the Nautic series. You need Allen keys and a wrench for this task. Start by unscrewing the nipple which is mounted on the shower mixer. Then mount the spout. The spout is screwed directly into mixer housing. How to install a bathtub spout with pull diverter. Start by unscrewing the nipple which is mounted on the shower mixer. Loosen the pre-assembled nipple from the spout. You can do this by using an Allen key. Assemble the nipple in the mixer housing. Push the spout onto the nipple and tighten the Allen screw. Here we will mount a spout with integrated shower divider. Start by unscrewing the nipple which is mounted on the shower mixer, and then mount the supplied nipple in the mixer housing. Fasten the Allen screw and guide pin into the spout. Push the spout onto the nipple and tighten the Allen screw. The flow of water comes out of the spout when it is directed forward. Turn the spout to the right, the water is diverted to the shower head. Thank you for watching.